Decisive: how to make better choices in life and work. Ship: hate and unhate. Explained clearly and practically, focused on making faster, better, and smarter decisions in life, career, and everyday situations. The book is based on research in psychology, behavior, economics, and real world examples. Introduction: why we make bad decisions. Humans often make biases or poor choices due to narrow thinking, overconfidence, confirmation bias, short term thinking. The book introduces the WRAP model, a four-step framework for better decisions. Widen your option. Reality test. Your assumptions. Attain distance before deciding. Prepare to be wrong. Bad decisions aren't luck, they are practicable. They are predictable mistakes that can be avoided. Chapter 1: widen your options. People tend to make narrow choices, often either or decisions. Solution: create multiple options, don't settle for the first idea. Techniques: multitasking, consider multiple alternatives simultaneously. Ask what else could we do or what would someone else do. Core lesson: more options, better chance of a good decision. Chapter 2: reality test your assumptions. People often act on assumptions, not facts. Biases like confirmation bias make us look only for supporting evidence. Tools to reality check. Who check? Conduct small experiments before committing fully. Devil's advocate. Challenge your assumptions. Gather contrary evidence. Test before you commit to avoid costly mistakes. Chapter 3: attain distance before deciding. Emotional attachment clouds judgment. People often make impulsive or revenge driven decisions. Tools: 10 10 10 rule. How will I feel in 10 minutes? 10 months? 10 years? Consider the perspective of an outsider. Avoid short term emotion dominating long term choice. Step back to see the bigger picture. Prepare to be wrong. Every decision has uncertainty. No decision is risk free. Pre-mortem analysis. Imagine the decision failed. Why? Plan to prevent failure. Build flexibility and backup plans. Accept that you may need to adjust later. Anticipating failure improves outcomes. Chapter 5: overcoming biases. Common biases in decision making. Confirmation bias. Short term focus. Narrow framing. Overconfidence. Strategies: ask critical questions. Consider alternatives. Gather data objectively. Coalition: awareness of bias is the first step to overcoming it. Chapter 6: from choices to action. Good decisions fail if not implemented properly. Action steps: set clear metrics for success. Break decisions into actionable steps. Monitor progress and adjust when needed. Decisions are only valuable if executed. Chapter 7: case studies and real life applications. Examples from business, sports, and personal life. Companies avoiding product disasters. Athletes making split second career decisions. Families choosing schools, jobs, or investments. The RAF framework works in any domain. Building a decision making culture. Teams can make better decisions if multiple perspectives are considered. Debate is encouraged. Testing ideas before commitment is a standard. Avoid group think by creating a culture of healthy challenge. Better decisions require structure, not just talent. Rap model summary: widen your options. Avoid narrow thinking. Generate multiple alternatives. Reality test your assumptions. Experiment. Challenge and gather contrary evidence. Attain distance before deciding. Step back. Reduce emotion. And use long term perspective. Prepare to be wrong. Anticipate failure. Plan contingencies and stay flexible. Final message of the book: good decisions are predictable and learnable. By systematically widening options, testing reality, taking perspective, and planning for uncertainty. You can make faster, smarter, and more confident choices.